Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to find top selling products on Temu. So guys, before we begin, you can click on my link in the description below to get $100 coupon bundle or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. So now with that said, once you are on Temu, in order for you to find the top selling product, is first thing that you will do is use the search bar at the top over here. So let's say I'm gonna search for AirPods. And in order for you to have a top selling product, just simply tap on filters over here, guys, at the top. And once you tap on filters, just simply tap on sort by over here. And now, as you can see, at the second one, you will have a top sales. So just simply tap on top sales. And from here, guys, you should be able to see or you should be able to find the top selling products on the specific keyword that you search in the search bar on Temu. And from here, you'll be able to have multiple options. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya!